Kerala, One North Panel Pvt Ltd stands committed to delivering plywood products trusted across industries. True manufacturing excellence is built over time, layer by layer, process by process, with precision guiding every step. Here, every board represents strength, a result of advanced manufacturing, skilled expertise, and a relentless focus on quality. As production grows and customer expectations evolve, consistency and traceability become essential to maintaining that trust. Each board must carry clear, accurate identification, information that remains visible, durable, and reliable throughout its journey. In demanding production environments, achieving consistent, high-quality printing on porous plywood surfaces requires technology built for industrial performance. To meet this need, One North Panel Pvt Ltd implemented the Domino Cx Piezo Inkjet printer, engineered for precision industrial printing. Designed for reliability, the Domino Cx delivers high-resolution, non-contact printing directly onto plywood surfaces. It produces clear, bold, and durable prints with exceptional consistency. The advanced inkjet technology ensures strong ink adhesion, excellent readability, and dependable performance. With seamless integration into the production line, the Domino Cx enables uninterrupted operation without slowing productivity. Every board is marked with clarity. Every print reflects precision. The result is enhanced production efficiency, reliable traceability across every batch, and a stronger, more visible brand presence. With Domino, printing becomes a seamless part of the manufacturing process, consistent, efficient, and dependable.
The Domino Cx inkjet printer has significantly improved our marking process. We are achieving consistently clear and reliable printing on our plywood products. The system operates smoothly within our production line and has strengthened both our operational efficiency and product identification. Domino has delivered a dependable and effective industrial printing solution for our facility.
Domino, powering industrial printing with precision, reliability, and performance. Because every product carries your reputation, and every mark carries the assurance of Domino.